What if you could design an AI specifically tailored to bring your unique images to life? Hi there, this is Jen, and you're watching Making the Photo. In this episode, we're diving into the intriguing world of customized GPTs with the latest ChatGPT 4 Turbo update. If you've been keeping up with ChatGPT, you're in for some exciting new features, especially under the Explore tab. We're going to train a Dall-e 3 model today without any coding or technical know-how. Watch until the end and I'll make a special GPT just for you. ChatGPT recently got a facelift. It's now ChatGPT 4 Turbo. This new upgrade is like putting a supercharger on your AI, making it faster and more powerful. The new all-in-one interface lets you integrate tools like Dall-e 3 and Bing browsing, eliminating the need to switch chats. You can create images using Dall-e 3. No need to construct a specific prompt. Give ChatGPT a general idea of what you want, and you'll get an image. ChatGPT interprets and expands on your idea. It tries to capture the essence of your concept. It adds details, backgrounds, and mood. And your image prompt is no longer the final idea. It's the opening line in an artistic dialogue. Of course, you can add these details yourself, especially if you have a particular style that you like. But that's not all. There's a whole new world to explore under the Explore tab. Especially when it comes to creating images. You can now create customizable GPTs. Maybe you always want to make images of cats. Lots and lots of cats. No problem. No matter what you prompt, now you're going to get a cat. So let's jump in and see what this new speedster can do. GPTs are specifically tuned versions of ChatGPT that have a specific purpose. For instance, with images, you can specify a particular style that you like. Now ChatGPT will always make images in your favorite style. Anyone can build a GPT, no coding background needed. But before we jump into creating your own GPT, let's take a look at some of the image GPTs created by OpenAI to give us some ideas on what type of GPT we can create. Cosmic Dream is quickly becoming one of my favorite GPTs. It's a digital visionary painter, transforming simple prompts into abstract and surreal masterpieces. The simple one-word conversation starters trigger an instant response from Cosmic Dream. No need to say, make an image. It's all set for visual storytelling. Comparing the image prompts in a regular ChatGPT conversation, you'll see the stylistic difference. First off, the regular ChatGPT needs a direct command to create images. Cosmic Dream does it intuitively, blending drama and color into its responses. Cosmic Dream creates abstract, colorful, and surreal images in a psychedelic style. Every time. The images have a fluidity and a sense of movement. It's like stepping into a dream. This GPT creates a very specific style of image. Coloring Book Hero takes any idea and turns it into a coloring book page. The images are simple, low complexity images with bold outlines and clear spaces. The art is always child appropriate, featuring whimsical, fun, and educational themes. This GPT isn't just about creating sticker designs, it's about bringing them to life. When I tried a one-word prompt here, the GPT engaged me in a dialogue, asking questions to refine the design. The process is interactive and fun, a true conversation with the AI. The style focuses on bold lines and solid colors to make the designs stand out. The digital drawings translate into a die-cut sticker format. The style might be a cartoon-like drawing, stylized text, or more realistic renderings, but always something that will work on a printed sticker. The GPT will even prepare your order and give you a link to Sticker Mule, where you can complete your order and get your stickers. It's AI creativity meeting real-world application. Our last stop is HotMod's GPT. This one is a playground for image modification. Let's take HotMods for a spin. This GPT is designed specifically for image prompts. Click the paperclip icon and upload an image. HotMods transforms it in a way you wouldn't believe. But it's not just about cars. Upload any image, and the results are going to be mind-blowing. HotMod maintains the image's basic integrity and color while providing creative visual enhancements. It can transform vehicles into race cars or spaceships, but it can also add artistic elements to a room or envision a piece of technology with an altered design. It can even remix your AI images. But it's important to note that HotMod's GPT has some limitations. It doesn't modify images of real people, even your selfies. This maintains ethical boundaries in AI art. OpenAI has given us 4 diverse GPTs to use: Cosmic Dreams, which does something psychedelic with your images; Coloring Book and Sticker Whiz to make specific types of images; and HotMod to remix your photos and images in wild ways. But what if you want something else? Anyone can make a GPT. You don't need to know how to code or anything. Let me take you through the steps. Open the Explore tab and click Create a GPT. On the left is your developer window. You tell the GPT what you want and how to act. On the right is a preview window that lets you test the GPT. In the developer window, describe what you want to make. For a while, I've been making ChatGPT prompts that create Mid-Journey prompts. Let's take one of these and modify it to create images in Dall-e 3 instead. The ChatGPT prompt includes a set of rules that should work great for the GPT. The prompt I'm working with is free for you to download, and I'll include a code in the description below. If you're starting from scratch, the GPT will walk you through the steps and ask you some questions. First, you'll create a title, description, and a thumbnail. The AI will also suggest 4 conversation starters. You can change any of the details, just ask, and it will update the GPT. I'm going to leave out the Mid-Journey instructions and ask ChatGPT to use Dall-e 3 to create vintage images. I've added a few instructions about tone and to make sure that it always creates an image instead of just text. Spend some time testing in the preview window. Go through each of your conversation starters to see if you find errors in the production. If you do, go back to the developer panel and ask the GPT to behave differently. Just a side note here, ChatGPT won't make images in the style of an artist. There are heavy blocks on this, but it will help you prompt for an artist's style without directly imitating the artist. When you're happy with the output, save your GPT. You can choose to make the GPT private, unlisted, where only those with the link can access it, or make it public. I've made this GPT unlisted, and here's the link just for you to use. You can always change your GPT later. Go back to your Explore tab and click Edit next to the GPT you want to change. It's really that simple. And that's a wrap on our turbocharged journey through ChatGPT 4's image creation GPTs. From Cosmic Dreams' surreal artistry to Sticker Wizard's practical creativity and HotMod's transformative magic. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. What will you create with these incredible tools? Share your creations and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI adventures. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.